Hello traders, in this video we're going to be taking a look at the Gold Catalyst EA for MT5. This gold specialized system aims to catalyze profits in XAUUSD. So let's see the claims and test results. But before we dive into all that, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. All right, so let's get into it. This EA sold for 3,000 US dollars. On the MQL5 page, you can see that the EA is optimized for trading gold with catalysts like volatility spikes, news reactions, or key level breaks. It uses multiple factors to identify high potential moves in the gold markets. The EA includes adaptive management, risk controls, and features tailored for gold's unique behavior. It's designed for both short-term and swing opportunities on XAU USD. Right, so you can see it's fully automated, optimized for XAU USD, and it combines the following methods: price action confirmations and dynamic risk management. And it has demonstrated stable, reliable performance over more than 2.5 years of continuous forward testing under real market conditions. All right. So, some of the features include gold optimized logic, catalyst detection, dynamic risk management, trailing stops, and volatility filters. The inputs allow tuning for different gold trading styles. It's positioned as a dedicated catalyst tool for serious gold traders. All right. You can see some of the developer screenshots. Here said the best settings for the EA. Stop loss in pips, you have a value of 600. Take profit in pips, we have 5,600. Lot size 0.04. Slippage in points 9. Line period A 13. Line period B 100. And what have you? So these are the best settings recommended by the developer himself for the best results. Okay. So we can see the screenshots provided by the developer. And I'm going to walk us through his performance very soon to see if it actually holds up to the developer's claims and how well it performs. Okay, you can see the equity curve, see how it trades or trends upwards over time, despite the little drawdowns here and there. Okay, right. So we've seen the developer's claims and um the strategy it uses, how it trades. So now let's go over to my personal backtest. I was opportune to carry out backtests for this EA using the recommended pair, the XAU USD gold pair on the 15-minute time frame. I tested the EA for a custom period of 1 year, ranging from the 1st of April 2025 to the 1st of April 2026. And for that period, on initial deposits of $10,000, we had the following results. So you can see how the equity curve looks like, how it trends upwards over time. You can see notable periods of drawdowns. The movement looks very zigzag-like and very volatile with spikes, with sharp spikes and sharp dips along the way. But overall, barring the periods of consolidation like here and here, where it still manages to trend upwards, you can see that we ended up quite above where we began, and this also reflects in our stats. So as you can see, for the initial deposit of $10,000 over the 1 year period, we had a net profit of $2,960. The profit factor came in at 1.08, and we had a balance drawdown of 16.66. All right, so that doesn't look bad. The results look positive with solid metrics. When I use the default settings, the specialization helps handle gold's volatility. So compared to general EAs, the Catalyst focus gives it an edge on XAUUSD. However, gold requires careful risk management. Honestly, the features that matter most are volatility filters, risk settings, and broker choice for gold. The Catalyst logic seems effective. Right, as for the nuances, implications, and hidden risks, gold is news sensitive and volatile. Slippage can occur on catalysts. It needs low spread broker, and so in practice, monitor major events. So who is it actually for and who should avoid it? It's ideal for dedicated gold traders who understand commodity dynamics. It's good for those seeking a specialized XAUUSD EA. You should avoid this EA if you trade many pairs or have low risk tolerance for gold swings. Overall, Gold Catalyst EA brings focused logic to gold trading with promising results. It's a strong option for XAUUSD enthusiasts. Test thoroughly on demo before use. So if you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more honest EA reviews, and let me know in the comments which EA to test next. Don't forget to grab that free Forex support from the description too. Just if out there, and I'll see you in the next video.